Are you thinking about starting inbound marketing using LinkedIn, or have you started already but just don't see the results you actually need or want for your business? Then this guide is perfect for you. I go through the simplest, fastest, and just best way to get started or continue where you left off to see the results you actually need or want for your business. It's only one software, so you don't have to hassle between 15 different API keys and automations and workflows. It's just one single software. So to get started is super easy. You'll get started within a couple of minutes, and then within hours, days, or maybe a week, you'll see the results you actually want and need. So let's get started. So this is SendPilot, the only software you need. You have everything you could ever want. You have a content generator, so you can generate posts for LinkedIn, post them. You have a lead extractor, so you can use SendPilot to scrape the engagement off that post and push them to a campaign. You have a lead database of over 200 million leads. You connect your LinkedIn account, and then you create the campaigns to reach out to the prospects you actually want to reach out to, all in one place. And it's actually kind of insane that you only have to do this in one software, and you don't have to use 15 different ones to connect everything. Usually people just use Phantom Buster and stuff like that to connect to Zapier, to connect to HeyReach, but now you do not need that. You only need SendPilot to do everything in one place. So I'll show you exactly how to get started and how to generate a post, how to use the lead extraction to actually get the leads from that post, and then how to use those leads, push them to a campaign, and reach out to them and actually book meetings. So let's get started with the content generator. So once you actually click content generator, you land on this page, which has three different options. Create, which is a normal post. It could be anything, a storyline. It could be a list of tips. Yeah, basically anything. Then you have lead magnet, which is perfect for grabbing attention and getting more likes and especially comments. This is perfect if you want to have or post something and get as many leads as you can from your social network, basically. So you post it and you use the lead extraction to actually grab the leads from the post you've generated. You also have library, where we have pre-made content, pre-made lead magnets, posts. You can just copy them, change them to your own metrics, your own story, whatever it may be. We have a lot of different things. And also, if any of the users of SendPilot actually makes a great post, it gets posted there as well, which is pretty neat. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'll show you quickly how to use the post creator, but I'll just grab a lead magnet from here and show you what you need to do with it afterwards. So to use the generator, it's super easy. Pick a category, write a topic, explain your target audience, what language and what tone. Then if you want a lead magnet, you choose what resource type it is. You write what kind of topic it will be again. If you want to customize the call to action, you can do that. You can also generate an automatic call to action for you if you want to, and also choose language, obviously. And then just hit generate. Pretty neat, but I'll not show you how to use that. It's super straightforward. I'll just grab one from the library for this video, just to show you exactly how to do after this. So I'll just grab this one here. Booked 50 calls in 3 days, all automated with SendPilot. If you're struggling to get real, not fake LinkedIn meetings, you're not alone. I'll just copy content and head over to LinkedIn. And once I'm in LinkedIn, I'll just click create post, paste it in there, boom. Obviously you have to change stuff like SendPilot, LinkedIn meetings, match your own offer basically. So that's what you need to do. You can't just copy and paste, because you have to match what you actually do, what your offer is, what you do. But yeah, after you've done that, you can also attach an image which is really recommended. It always grabs more attention if you have an image, video, GIF, whatever it may be. Most people just do a nice little selfie. Works really well for LinkedIn. It just makes everything more personal basically. So I really recommend doing just do a selfie. It's actually insane how much better results you get with just a selfie. It can also be just an image of your desktop screen, whatever it may be. Include an image. Just pure text never reaches the same amount of engagement. So yeah, after you've done that, I'll attach one now, and boom, I've attached an image. So the post is here, ready, everything is perfect. An image is here. I've already used this image. I just want to give you an idea of what I mean. And boom, you hit post, and then when you hit post, you move over back to SendPilot. So the last thing you need to do before heading over to SendPilot again is copying the link URL. So click the three dots, click copy link to post, boom, and then head back to SendPilot and click lead extraction. And here is where the magic happens. So after it loads here, click extract leads, enter campaign name. I'll just do test 1, 2, 3. And then paste the post URL here. Select the LinkedIn account. I'll do my own account since it's my LinkedIn post, and then hit extract leads. And then it will just scrape down all the likes, the other engagements, the comments, everything. And as you can see, it's monitoring, it's processing the post actually. And when it's done, it's going to say how many leads you've actually got. And yeah, so we'll wait for that to finish. And boom, this post only had 33 leads, as it was 31 likes and 15 comments. Most of the commenters are obviously people already liked. So yeah, then you hit three dots here, create campaign with leads, and boom, you've created a campaign. You hit continue sequences, and here is where the fun begins. So click plus, you hit if connected, and if they're connected, you send a message, and here you can customize the message, and I'll just do that quickly and then get back. This is just a very bad message to send actually, but just to give you an idea. Hey, first name, thanks for liking my post. Was wondering, do you do any LinkedIn outreach? Delay before the step, 1 hour. You can set it to whatever you want, no delay if you want to, and then just hit back. And the next step is obviously if they're not connected, click plus, send connection request, boom. And after you've added the step to send connection request, click plus again, and connection if connected. And then you click plus again, and you can do send message, and then you can just copy this message here and do boom. Come on. That should be it. Let's go back here, click configure and paste it. Boom, and then just do again, like I'll do 1 hour again, and then just hit back. And again, if they're not connected, you can just do stop sequence. Boom, and there you have it. So as soon as someone likes or comments your post, they get thrown into this campaign, and if you're connected to them, you send a message. If you're not, you send a connection request, and then after 24 hours, I'll add a 24-hour delay. So after 24 hours, it will check again if they're connected or not with you. And if they are, then they send a message. If not, then they stop the sequence. Super easy way to get started with LinkedIn inbound marketing. You simply make a post inside this platform. You simply push those leads to a campaign. You create a sequence here and click confirm sequence. And after you've clicked through the sequence tab where you've built the workflow for the campaign, you simply head to schedule. You set the time frame, so I'll do like 9:30 a.m. to 3:45 a.m. since most people are in office then. Do the time zone. Most of the people I reach out to will be in America, so I'll do, let's see here if I can find something good. So I'll do New York. Perfect. And I'll actually not do Fridays because many people actually go off work on Fridays. So I'll do save, and then you set the limits here, how many connection requests limit per account. So if you only have one account, keep it to 10. I'll just keep the recommended settings here. So send message limit 10, like post limit 10, and then use the account, your own account. If you want to use more, you can do that, of course. But yeah, so I'll do one account and then just do launch campaign, and then just watch the leads flow in. Very easy way to get started with inbound marketing. You simply create a post inside the app, post it on LinkedIn, and use the app to scrape the engagement, so likes and comments from that post you made inside the app, and push those leads to a campaign. And in the campaign flow, you can actually do whatever you want. You have a lot of different actions to do, like post, comment, you can do send connection request, you can do actions, you can do conditions, whatever it may be. You can use however many variables you want. You can use whatever variable you want. Yeah, they have custom variables, so you can upload any variable. So if you want to use Clay to get the most random personalized line you want, you can use that in here. No worries at all. Then you reach out to them, and the campaign is basically automatic. If you get any results, you'll see it in the Unibox, as you'll see unread messages and all messages. You can reply to them here directly in the app, write message. You can do whatever you want. You can copy the view the profile, so yeah, basically see the LinkedIn profile. You can write to people, you can reach out to them, you can manage the replies, manage the campaign, basically super easy. And then in dashboard, you'll see the statistics of the campaigns. You see how many you've sent, how many opportunities you have, how many connections accepted, how many sent, how many closed deals you have. You can customize that here. You can see the reply rate, basically everything you want. Basically you can share it here. Super neat. So if you want to share it to your own network, basically you can do that very easily, just as Instant has as well. So yeah, it's a perfect platform for getting started with LinkedIn inbound marketing, but also outbound marketing if you want to, as they have the lead finder, and with 200 million leads, you can just simply use this to get however many leads you want. You can reach out to them here as well. So it's just basically a one-stop shop for LinkedIn inbound and outbound marketing, basically all. So if you have ever thought about starting inbound marketing or outbound marketing using LinkedIn, this is the best tool by far to get started. You have everything you could ever need for any of the 2 different strategies in there that I just showed you. I really recommend going for it and testing it out. I'll link it in the description. Very short video, just the best and simplest way to get started with LinkedIn, just outbound marketing, and I hope you crush it. So see you next time. Cheers.